Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jerome the Artist here. You've reached Jerome the Artist Again channel, and for the reason you came today is because you saw the objects I lined out on the table. Now I'm going to explain what these objects means. This is a practical experiment to prove that my theory on warp propulsion is possible by these are example of model warp drive engines. Basically, I'm going to show you from using a Mofun toy like this with the motion that goes like this, right? And you see that spinning, right? You can see that spinning. It slows down, you'll see it spins a really fast rate. And what brought me to the conclusion that this could be the source of a multi-propulsion vehicle. So what I was trying to let you know now is so basically, this is a picture of what would be a warp drive and a vehicle that could travel at speed closer to light speed. So this object that I've been playing with, just showing you how fast, this would be in here, situated like this, to turn, and give thrust to the vehicle that's going that way. I've gone ahead and prepared what one of these, like right here, would be looking like on the actual needs for a warp propulsion. Going like that, right? Going like this. So let's move this over. Let's move this over. Bear with me for a second here. Let's move this over onto our drawing, and it will land like boom, right there. Okay? So now we have actually moved from theory, this, just a one toy, to now have a experiment of a warp vehicle with a actual warp drive, warp engine. So what I'm working on here is a warp speed engine, and it would fit into a aircraft. Could be really design shape different, but basics for you to understand a warp drive vehicle like this. Now, basically, I was going to show you that this, I'm going to show you that this, right, this one right here is the same as how I'm going to make this experiment, this little experiment, prove that we could get the motion out of this warp engine first video that I put up to let you know about this. So picture that as this, and basically now, if you have your wheel moving, if you could get your wheel to move, congratulations, you have a warp drive engine, or a warp drive. Instead of warp engine, they call it warp drive. Okay, so basically in gears and motors, so see this moving right here, That's how a gear simulate would move, and then it would turn these gears into the opposite like this. Keep on turning. Now if you're asking me what's so practical about making a warp drive vehicle, it's because you could get to Mars faster and build more cars, as millions of cars, and sell them on Earth, come back to Earth and sell them expensive.